Hi, you're welcome to Algebra tutorials. In this lesson, I'll take you through a couple of questions and you're going to solve different problems. Stay glued to your seat and don't miss any question. It says perform the indicated operation and write your answer in the standard form. Let's check the first problem. So number one, we have an expression which is 4 minus 5i multiplying the expression 12 plus 11i, right? Yes, so let's see how we solve this problem. To solve this problem, we decomposition. So the first step is you take 4, you decompose it, it's going to multiply everything here. So 12 plus 11i, right? Then after, you take negative 5i, simply also multiplying 12 plus 11i. At this point, what do? You keep on for simplification. 4 times 12 is 48, right? 4 times 11 is plus 44i. I have negative 5i times 12 is negative 60i, right? Then negative 5 times 11. So imagine negative 5 times 11 is negative 55, right? That is negative 55. Then I times I is negative 1. So negative 55 times negative 1 give us positive 55. Is that not it? So what is the answer? I have 48 here. I have 55. I will add my real part together and I'll add my imaginary part. Remember the question said leave it in the standard form. So 48 plus 55 gives me 103, right? 103. So I'm going to have 103. Then now I'm going to have 44i minus 60i. So 44 minus 60, right? That gives me negative 16. Negative 16i. And this is simply our answer. Let's go to the second question. The second question says you have negative 3 minus I minus the expression 6 minus 7i. So the first thing to do is to simplify the right hand, okay? We expand, we try to open the bracket. To open the bracket, I can quickly open my first bracket. I'll have negative 3 minus I nicely. Then I'll have this side minus 6, right? Then the negative also multiply, I get positive 7i. At this point, we group like terms. So I'm going to have negative 3 minus 6 at one side, negative I plus 7i at one side. Negative 3 minus 6 is equal to negative 9. Negative I plus 7i is equal to positive 6. And that is our answer. Now let's go to the third problem quickly. In the third problem, you have 1 plus 4i. You expand. We only do expansion when the sign separating the two brackets is plus or minus, okay? That is when we remove the bracket. So we remove the bracket not by decomposition, by just expanding. So here I'm going to have 1 plus 4i, and I have negative 16. That gives me positive 16. Negative times positive 9i minus 9i. What do I get? At this point, we group like terms again. We have 1 plus 16 plus 4i minus 9i, right? 1 plus 16 gives 17. Then 4i minus 9i is negative 5i. And that is our answer. Now we move to our next problem. In our next problem, I have 8 multiplying 10 plus 2i. So this gives me quickly 80i. Then 8 times 2 is 16. But remember, I times I is negative 1. That gives me 80i minus 16. And that is just our answer. We move to the next problem. So here we have multiplication. So when you're multiplying here, the composition comes in. Negative 3 multiplying 1 plus 10i, and negative 9i multiplying 1 plus 10i, right? After the composition, we expand. This gives me negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. Negative 3 times 10i is negative 30i. Negative 9 times 1, negative 9i. Then now, negative 9 times 10 is negative 90. I times I is negative 1. We get positive 90. At this point, what do I get? I group like terms. Negative 3 plus 90, negative 30i minus 9i. So negative 3 plus 90 is simply 87, positive 87. Negative 30i minus this is negative 39i. Then we come here. So in this sense as well, I'll have a multiplication. So decomposition. 2 multiplying the expression 8 plus 3i plus 7i multiplying the expression 8 plus 3i. At this point, what do I do? I multiply, right? 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 3i is plus 6i. Plus 7 times 8 is 56i. 7i times 3i. 7 times 3 is 21. I times I is negative 1. So negative 21. At this point, I group like terms. 16 minus 21 plus 6i plus 56i. 16 minus 21 gives me negative 5, right? Then 6i plus 56i gives me positive 62i. And that is the answer. We move to this. Now we are in the division zone. Now this is a little bit different from what you've been doing. At the division side, what do? We simply find what we call the conjugate. Conjugate. Conjugate is simply negating the imaginary part. To solve this, we will find the conjugate of the denominator, then multiply that by both the numerator and the denominator. So let's see. 7 minus I over 2 plus 10i, right? I'll multiply both top by the conjugate. The conjugate is simply negating this, okay? So 2 minus 10i over 2 minus 10i. This gives me, you multiply, right? 7 minus I, sorry. So this gives 7 minus I, multiplying the expression 2 minus 10i all over 2 plus 10i, 2 minus 10i. At this point, simple decomposition goes on here, right? So 7 multiplying the expression 2 minus 10i minus I multiplying 2 minus 10i. As simple as that. Everything over the same decomposition. 2 open bracket 2 minus 10i plus 10i open bracket 2 minus 10i. It is. Then we go on for simplification. This becomes 14 minus 70i, right? This becomes negative I times 2, negative 2i. Negative I times this. Remember that this is 1. It will be 110. But negative I times negative 110. So the negative and negative will make it positive, okay? But the I times I will make it still negative again. Take it again. If I have negative I multiplying negative 110i, the negative and the negative 110 will be positive 110. I times I will be negative 1. So I'll get negative 110. All this over the expression. 2 times 2 is 4 minus 20i. Then this is plus 20i. Then 10 times 10 is negative 100. But I times I is negative 1. So positive 100. At this point, you can see this clearly cancel this. 14 minus 110. So 14 minus 110 gives negative 96. Then negative 70 points. Sorry, negative 70i minus 2i is negative 72i. All over the expression. 4 plus 100 is 114. Can we simplify this further? Yes, so we can say that if you have the expression 96, 114, we can first make 2 go into 96 and we get 48. So negative 48 minus 36i all over this one. 2 goes here, 5, right? So 57. Is there any number that can go into here again? So we have negative 48, we have negative 36, 57. So 48 over 57. Yeah, so 3 can still go into that, okay? So you simply have negative 48. We are leaving it in the standard form over 57 minus 36i over 57. Remember 3 goes here, 16, right? So negative 16 over 19, right? Then 3 goes here 12. So minus 12 over 57, sorry, over 19i. And that will be in our bracket. Then we move to our last but one. Yes, that is here. So with this one, is simply here. So now this looks a little bit different, right? So in solving this problem, so let's see how we can also solve this. Okay, so for us to solve this we repeat our fraction here, 1 plus 5i all over negative 3i. Okay, so how do we solve this? To solve this, we simply, yeah, because it's already imaginary, let's check something different here. Okay, so let me clean this side and write it well. So I'm going to clean this and write it well. So I have it here. So this is equal to 1 plus 5i over negative 3i. As I said, we are multiplying by what? The conjugate, okay? To multiply by the conjugate of this, we only negate the imaginary parts. This and this are the same, just that the real part is 0, okay? So I'm going to have 0 plus 3i. So here, it will be 3i over 3i. Simple as that. So I'll have 3i numerator multiplying 1 plus 5i all over 3i denominator multiplying negative 3i. Okay, when I simplify this, I have 3i times 1 is 3i, 3i times 5 15, I times I is negative 1, so minus 15 all over. Now 3 times negative 3 is negative 9, I times I is negative 1, so negative 9 negative 1. I'm going to have 3i minus 15 all over 9. Yeah, I can factorize 3, but since you are leaving it in the standard form, let's leave it. So 3i over 9 minus 15 over 9. 3 goes into itself 3, sorry, 1. So I'll have I over 3 minus 3 goes here 5 over 3. As simple as that. So this is our answer. Finally, we are done. So we have our last question here, which is simply the expression, which is quotient. I'll have 6 plus 7i over 8 minus I. This is simply equal to 6 plus 7i. I will multiply this fraction, right, by 8 conjugate. That will 8 plus I over 8 plus I. How do I simplify? By decomposition, okay? So 6 will multiply 8 plus I. Sorry. So 6 will multiply 8 plus I. Then 7i will also multiply 8 plus I all over 8 here, multiplying 8 minus. Now this is 8 times 8, so you have 8 multiplying 8 plus I, right? Then this is minus I multiplying 8 plus I. After decomposition, we simplify 6, 8, 48 plus 6i, right? Plus, we have 7i times 8, 56i. 7i times I is negative 7, right? All this over 8 times 8, 64 plus 8i minus 8i. Minus I giving us positive I. Why? Negative I times I is negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. Okay. At this point, 48 minus 7, that is equal to 41. 6i plus 56i, 50, 62, sorry, 62i. This will cancel this. 1 plus 64 is 65. We finally decompose 41 over 65 plus 62i over 65. And that is our answer. So thank you for joining this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial for algebra.